Hi there, I'm Mark and welcome to this UK Postbox screencast. Well, today I'm going to give you an overview of our platform and its key features. So let's get started.
As soon as you log in, you'll be taken to your inbox where you'll find all of your new and existing mail items. From here, you can request for an item to be opened and scanned, read your letters or forward them, shred and recycle, or file them away into subfolders. It's up to you. If you want to learn more about all of the actions you can take with your items, be sure to check out video 2, which covers them in detail. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the primary navigation bar. It's with you everywhere in the platform, so you can quickly get to all of the settings and options you need. Today, we're going to do a quick run-through of each of the icons. At the top, we've got the inbox icon. Click here from anywhere in the app to be taken straight back to your inbox and post items. If you've got unread or unactioned items, you'll also see a little red notification box next to the inbox icon, showing you how many need your attention. Next is the message center icon. If you need to get in touch with customer services or the mail room, just click on this icon and you'll be able to contact them directly. To write a new message, click on the new message icon and you'll be able to write your message, attach anything which is relevant, and finally choose the department and send. Bear in mind we're open Monday to Friday, 9 AM to 4 PM GMT, so if you send us a message outside of these hours, we'll pick it up as soon as we're back. Okay, so next up is the Send Mail icon. This is a great feature if you're abroad and you need to get post into Royal Mails or another UK carrier's hands quickly. Tell us who the recipient is, upload your letter as a PDF, and we'll print it and send it on your behalf. In video 8, we run through the whole process, so be sure to watch that if you're looking to send letters online. The fourth icon is where you'll find all of your account settings. As you'll see, there are lots of options, everything from account preferences, your plan and address details, security and statements, and much more. If you're keen to learn more about the various settings, then watch videos 5 to 7 in this series, where we look at them in more detail. Finally, the last icon in the top 5 is for the shipping calculator. If you're not sure what it'll cost to send a parcel or letter, just click here to get an estimated cost. All you need to do is select the destination, add the weight and dimensions, and we'll give you an approximate price. That's the main navigation icons. I'm sure you'll agree that it's pretty easy to find your way around. We're always keen to hear from you though, what you like and what you don't, so we can continue to improve the platform. If you've got a minute, please take the time to click the feedback icon down here and tell us what you think and how we're doing. Right at the bottom, you'll see the Logout button. We always recommend you log out regardless of the computer you use. It just helps keep your account secure. So that's a whistle-stop tour of the main navigation panel. I'm just going to show you one more thing before I let you go. Up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a few things: the current time, your profile picture which is optional, your account balance, and finally a top-up button. Clicking on the top-up button from anywhere in the platform will give you the option to do a one-off top-up or set up automatic top-ups. Automatic top-ups are great for those of you who always want their account to be in credit. It's not mandatory, but the option's there if you need it. For more information about top-ups, both manual and automatic, be sure to check out video 6 where we cover them in more detail. So that's it. Thanks for joining me today and I hope you found it useful. See you again soon.